right, are you ready for the weekly Wednesday prompt? Today's prompt is going to be to use 2 or 3 analogous colors. So if you have one of these color wheels, which are always just fun to have, they make everything easy. Analogous colors are, so if you had yellow, an analogous color would be green and orange. So you'd use orange, yellow, and green, or in anything in this range, right? So let's say you picked red. Analogous colors would be orange and violet. And so anything in this range is what you would use, okay? So, or 2 or 3 colors that are analogous. They're next to each other on the wheel. There's no stitch prompt, it's a color prompt. So that is this week's prompt. By the way, this is a hoop that one of my patrons told me about, and I can't remember who the manufacturer is, but I'll put the link below. It's kind of cool. I haven't used it, so I don't know what I think compared to the Morgan hoop, which I really like. This, I don't know if this is going to bother me, but you just put this ring on top of the fabric. You put the fabric over, you hold this, you pinch it, and then you put this on top, and then you let go. And you can tighten it, of course. But it's pretty easy to do. As I said, I'm not sure what I think of this, but I'll find out. Anyway, as I said, I'll put the link below. The other thing I wanted to mention was if you don't have a color wheel, I'll put the link for that below as well. It's just a really valuable tool to have. You really don't need to refer to it unless you need to, you can't remember what the complementary color is to, yellow-green, and it makes it very easy to figure it out. You can also turn this thing, and it's going to show you what this color blue is going to look like if you add black, if you add white, if you add yellow, if you add red to blue, it shows you values. And then the other side also gives you information it's just nice. It's a nice thing to have. So here we've got a blue-green, but you could also go into the green going into yellow. You could go into blue, so it could be these 3. You could even go into a dark, You could go into this gray blue. This is with black added, obviously. But 2 or 3 colors, any stitch you feel like. That is this week's prompt. Have fun. Don't be shy. Be sure to post your piece up in the Facebook group. If you haven't joined, join Ariane Zurcher's Stitching Circle. And for my patrons, I'm going to be doing a little more detailed and complicated prompt. Can't wait to see what you do.